Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified. To do our leopard print, I am going to start with a cup that I've already glittered. This is a 30-ounce Ozark Trails, and I prepped it by sanding it, washing it, and then I did not base coat this one a color because my glitter is not transparent, it's opaque. I used Recollections Champagne, and we're going to add Recollections Chestnut and also Mr. Nola's Fix My Streets for our black. I did go ahead and spray seal this after I glittered it. It does have 2 coats of glitter, and then spray sealed. I used Treehouse Studios Clear Acrylic High Gloss. Usually when I'm doing a design, I'll print it out or I'll have it up on my computer next to me so that I can kind of keep an eye on what I'm doing. So to start, like I said, I've already coated this with glitter. It's not epoxied yet. It's just 2 coats of glitter and spray sealed. I'm going to use a couple different paintbrushes. I just grabbed them out of my stash. I don't really know yet which one I'll use the most. Depends on the shape of the spot and the size of the spot. So I have these 2 small ones. I have some regular Mod Podge already in a cup. So first things first, I'm just going to start by dipping my paintbrush in, getting some Mod Podge on it. I'm going to try to get it as smooth as I can. And then I'm going to take my brown, this chestnut here, and just go over that spot. Tap off any extra. And there's our first spot. Let me move this cup out of the way. So I'll just keep going around doing different size spots, different shape spots all around the cup. Let me put a little one right here. And then adding the glitter. And this is why right here I like to spray seal that light gold, because I'm tapping it off. And whenever I'm done, I'm going to put all of this extra back into my jar, and I don't want other colors contaminating it. And just keep going around. Okay, once everything is all the way covered, I will give it a final look over and make sure it seems balanced and there's not like a big empty spot or too many close together. Like right here, I feel like I need to put something right there. Alright, so I will let this one dry and then come back to it and I'll spray seal it one more time using my clear spray. Then we will come back and with the smaller paintbrush add in a little bit of black details. Alright, we're ready to finish the details on this leopard print cup. I let the brown dry for a few hours and I spray sealed it with my acrylic sealer, and now I'm just going to take a little bit of my Mod Podge on a smaller paintbrush and just in a few spots add some black. And again, I'm using Mr. Nola's Fix My Streets. It's a really pretty black sparkle. A lot of black glitters lose their sparkle under epoxy unless you mix something with them. This one doesn't. Okay, so I'll just keep going around the cup doing that. Every once in a while I'll add just a little black spot that doesn't have a brown. So give it a little bit more character. want to make sure that we got all of the black spots that we want, that everything looks somewhat symmetrical and yet still natural. After this is completely dry, I will take my soft bristle brush and dry brush off all the extra black, and then I will spray seal it and put it on the turner for epoxy. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, just drop those below, and also be sure to check out the video description for any product information. Thanks, guys.